when your elbows are itchy?
It actually feels good, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. Let's go home and get ready.
We actually are gonna be crunched on time.
Yeah.
Because it takes me like 20 minutes to clean my mouth. Julia?
Maybe we're gonna. Actually, they might be late, so we'll be.
They're always late. Not me throwing them under the bus. Hey, no way. I didn't say that. Imagine they're actually here early. No, that's okay.
Imagine they're already at the house. They're like, where are you guys?
Say that. Be like, where are you?
At Chick-fil-A. Oh, are you guys ready? No.
I mean, I just need to eat, brush my teeth, and change. Do my hair. Oh shit, there's not a lot to do.
I have to change.
Actually?
Yeah.
You gotta do all of that?
Yeah.
Oh god. No, then I'll be quick.
We'll see what
Yeah,
happens.
we'll be ready.
Yeah. So as I'm getting ready and like putting on my mascara and everything, I'm over here thinking that they're getting here at 8 o'clock, only to find out they're getting here at 8:20. This is some lore for you guys, but I used to live in this room. I lived in this room for 11 years of my life. It's so funny, 11 years ago, it's funny, like, I moved out in 2018. I don't know how long ago that was, but it felt so small. But now it feels like huge. So yeah, this is their guest bedroom now, but this used to be my room. Me and my mom's room. Crazy. I'm so sorry, I had to turn on the fan. It is way too hot in here. That is one thing I do not miss about living in this room. It gets so fucking hot in here. And then in the winters, it gets like so cold. It gets like -degrees in this room. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear. So I'm just gonna wear these baggy jeans that I wear all the freaking time. At first I was like skeptical about wearing jeans to an amusement park, but then I thought about it and I was like, girl, you walked 13 miles in New York with jeans and you didn't chafe. You can wear jeans to an amusement park. I think I'll be fine. And then I didn't know what to wear for tops, but then I found, remember I had this in my closet. It literally says it literally has the Peanuts on it. It has Snoopy on there. It's so cute. It says Peanuts Cool Down. Isn't this so cute? So we're gonna wear this shirt. And I'm gonna wear my New Balances. I think I'm gonna change now so that way I'm just ready. But I'm so comfortable in this outfit. Like I'm literally wearing a baggy men's shirt and flare leggings. Like I am so comfortable right now. I don't want to change, okay? I don't want to change. I'm gonna change now. Oh well, I'm gonna take it like that. I think you got it. Yeah, you got it. Okay, let's go, team.
Oh, I have to close the garage.
Went in a carpool lane.
Oh, nice for one time.
No, because of me, I would just keep driving. I would be like, whoa, I missed.
That's you though.
Yeah, that's you.
Have you seen that one viral TikTok of like these guys sneaking in?
Yeah.
Are you telling me the bus is all the way over there?
Yeah. You see, for making fun of them.
Wait, they're not even open yet, I just realized.
They're not?
No, they open at 10. It's open for the season pass people.
Look, you see that?
And then there's like 4 lines in total. Like we see like 4 lines of cars. We're like, oh, there's like 4 parking. Like 4.
hear me because there's children everywhere. Sidewinder. I'm already getting sleepy.
That's the fast pass.
Yo, that's scary how he's like right there when you're watching.
Yeah, go keep going.
Yeah, go through there.
Yeah. Follow the people.
Oh, I thought that was her.
Yay!
Yay!
That's so weird.
We got off of Sidewinder and I was not prepared to say the least. Woo, caught me off guard, but I think we're going on Silver Bullet now. I'm scared. I'm nervy.
We're almost there.
Myself.
No, you won't. You won't.
Myself.
You won't.
This better wake me up because I'm kind of
Oh, it definitely will. Just
I'm
scared. It's technically like your first like big
Yeah.
monster, huh?
So all of us.
Because you actually did on Incredible.
Oh my god. Damn. It was fun. 10 out of 10. My throat is super dry though. They're right there, y'all. Oh, there they go. Hopefully no one stole our stuff. Oh, there they go.
There they go.
I guess I'll put it in.
Okay. Because I can see them perfectly. They went all the way up there. Ain't no way.
And they're done. Okay, they got on Supreme Scream and I don't know where we're going now. It's getting so freaking hot in this shirt. Like, ugh. We're in front of Hang Time right now and I said, no, I'm not getting on this ride. They're all gonna get on it. So I'm gonna try and record them. Also, the little compartment for my SD card keeps popping out and it's so annoying. Like, I think when I get home I'm gonna put tape on it because it literally is so freaking annoying and I'm scared that people are staring at me. We're finally gonna get on. I've been waiting here for so freaking long. Oh my god, they're right in the front. I lost them. What'd you think?
Oh my god, I didn't like the drop.
You know?
We're all debating on getting these shirts and matching.
It's a nice, I like it.
And it's not that expensive either.
Let's go. I always wanted one of these.
That's so funny. Okay, it's official. We're all getting matching shirts. Woo! Get him,
grab a medium or
get,
small?
get him a medium. Yeah, medium.
Should we get matching these?
No,
Why not?
Wait, do you think this is too big?
I can't wear hats. My head's too big. So it's official. We're getting matching t-shirts. Everybody's getting their t-shirts. Yeah!
Imagine we were showing it to Honey.
Oh my god! This would be so cute.
Hi, give that.
I don't exactly know where we're going now. But we're going on another ride, I think.
It's so loud! I'm at Niagara Falls! We're in Niagara Falls! Can you hear me? Oh, feels good out here! Oh no, we're in the dark. We're in the darkness. La cucuy is coming. The cucuy. We're about to explode.
We're gonna go on, I don't know, what is this ride called?
Log ride.
Log ride. I'm gonna put my camera away because I don't want it to get wet. We all changed to our matching shirts. I don't know where they're going. Oh, he's right there. We're waiting for Jessica.
Jessica asked me
Almost tacones and everything.
Bless you. They're right there. These three seats. They are. Oh my god! Oh shoot! Their reaction.
Not Diego with the middle part.
It was hella fun. There was one moment where I was like,
Oh my god, that's scary. And it's just like,
You guys are, yeah, you guys are doing backflips. They're literally going again. Yes, they're crazy.
Are we the only sane ones in this group?
I think we are.
I don't get it. I'm not even in the frame. Hi, I'm here at Knott's Berry Farm. If you want to come to Knott's Berry Farm, buy yourself a ticket and come to Knott's Berry Farm. Thank you. Quoted. Bye. Look at Jessica's new hat that she got at Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah. Are you excited where Honey is?
They're going. Oh my god, I'm shaking. is crazy. I would never get on that ride myself. But good for them. What?
Jessica's engaged?
Jessica, you're engaged?
Tell me, I thought I would have been one of the first ones to know. But I want Chick-fil-A. That's what I want. I'm just putting out there.
Oh my god.
Don't even stop.
Don't say that. 502. It's 502. It's 502. I'm tired.
It's, you know what time it is? It's Chick-fil-A o'clock.
It's giving main character energy. Oh god. So accelerator opened and Jessica, Julian, Alexa, and Diego are on it right now. And me and Marissa were like, no. Me and Marissa were like, okay, like, but they got on.
I'm just okay.
And take a rest.
Take a deep breath.
But they're literally already in the front.
Sledding sucks. Seattle one?
I don't even think
Hasn't updated.
I want to dunk my face in that fountain. Goodbye, Knots. Goodbye. See ya on the flip side. Also, I'm taking hostage of Diego's new plushie. Where is that little bitch?
It's not, or it's not. Look, please look here.
Here.
Oh my god.
Well, you can't put the hood on because he has a big ass head.